Here we are today. Welcome to Tubbs World. We're looking off the South Shore at the beautiful views. And what do we see out there? A jet ski on South Shore. Oh, check that out. The South Shore is usually rough, but it's nice and calm and beautiful today. You see the jet ski. I don't know if they just see the long tails flying in the sky. I guess the guy in the jet ski just took a break because he knows that I'm taking a video, you know what I mean? Heading up all the traffic, people's getting there, like they be alright. Alright. So I guess, I don't know, it's turning around. How you doing, jet ski guy? I'm so sure. Alright, until next time, we'll see what he does. I've been having problems out there because it's a long day. Anyway, jet ski on South Shore. Until next time. It looks like it's okay. He's rolling. Oh, here we go. Got him. Oh yeah, see? Jet ski on South Shore. We're waiting for it. Look at him go. Oh, it's brave. Until next time, like and subscribe.